Are you thinking about shopping on Faymoon.com but aren't sure if it's worth the risk? You're not alone. Thousands of people are searching for answers about whether Faymoon is a legit online store or just another scam waiting to take advantage of unsuspecting shoppers. In this video, we dig into what really stands behind the promises made on their website. Faymoon.com presents itself as a one-stop shop for unique, customizable products that are supposedly perfect for every hobby, passion, or profession. But when you look closer, things don't always add up. The prices may seem tempting, but cheap doesn't always mean good value, especially when there are red flags like missing contact details, no clear company background, and a website design that feels copied from other suspicious sites. When checking product images, many appear lifted directly from other online sources, which raises serious questions about originality and authenticity. On top of that, the store has no real social media presence, something that most trustworthy brands use to connect with customers. But the most telling factor is what actual buyers have to say. Reviews on platforms like Trustpilot reveal a consistent pattern. Shoppers report receiving products of poor quality that look nothing like the glossy pictures shown online, facing endless delays, or in some cases, never getting their orders at all. Refunds also seem to be a major struggle, with multiple complaints about unresponsive customer service and failed attempts to recover money. All of this paints a concerning picture that potential customers need to know about. So, if you've been tempted to hit that Buy Now button on Faymoon.com, pause for a moment and think twice. This review lays out the facts, neither hyped-up positivity nor blind negativity, so you can decide for yourself whether this store deserves your trust or your caution.